Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can clear your cache in Windows. So first you want to hit Windows and R, type in temp, T-E-M-P, and hit OK. When you're here, you can just hit Ctrl A and delete. You can just check this and click skip. You close this, hit Windows R again, and this time you type in %temp%. Hit OK, and then you can just hit Ctrl A again and delete. Alright, so I've deleted it, and now you can just hit Windows R again, and this time you type in prefetch. Okay, hit OK again, continue, and then you can just delete all of this by hitting Ctrl A and delete. And then after this, you can just go to your recycle bin, right click and empty recycle bin. Yes. Alright, so now you know how to clear your cache in Windows. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.